Today we're making this pinecone bird feeder. Let's get started. Okay, we're ready for the craft. Where's Sunday?
Is she playing hide and seek or something?
Let's call her. Sunday!
Poof.
Whoa! Sunday, you need to stop doing that. We need to get to this craft.
All right, let's go.
So for this craft, we're going to need a pine cone.
And peanut butter and a knife.
We also need twine and bird seeds.
Now we tied our twine into a loop and now we're going to attach it to our pine cone.
Now we just need to take our knife and spread the peanut butter all in between the layers of the pine cone. Now our pine cones are peanut butter.
This is looking good.
Now it's time for the bird seed. Now gently roll your pine cone in the bird seeds. This looks so darn good, I want to eat it. The birds and squirrels are going to love it.
You go, girl!
Now we just gotta hang this from a tree for all the animals to enjoy. Thanks for watching Sunday Fun Day. If you like this video, please subscribe.
I'll see you next time. Jack out!
Max, out!
Sunday.